Welcome back to digital class, and this is a discussion for booklet number 4, the 12 types of heuristic problem-sum concept. And now we're discussing page 51, question number 2. Now, let's look at this question. This question says that shop A and shop B actually sold two types of ovens at the prices shown below. Okay. Now, the first thing, very important thing, is you need to know that shop A and B sold the same number of ovens. Okay. And what happened is shop A sold 14 oven X, but we don't know how many Y. But shop B sold 17 oven Y, and we don't know how many oven X. And the amount of money shop A received was 1,200 less than shop B. Now, let's try to put this into a format first, okay? In the table format. Now, I know that I have shop A, and I know I have shop B. And what happened is under each shop, we have oven X, Y, X, Y. Now, interestingly, I know that I have the price for oven X is 388, 388. Oven Y is 588, 588. Okay, now, and I know that I have 14 oven X in shop A. So I know that I have 14 here. Let me just quickly change the color. 14 here. And I don't know how many here. Okay, I just put a box here. I don't know how many here. And I also know that I have 17 in oven Y, but I don't know how many in X. Okay. And the question also given us information that I know that shop A actually received in total the amount is 1,200, less than shop B. Means that shop B actually have more. So should have like this, and extra 1,200. And this is basically the whole situation of the question. Now, then the question here asks one thing here says that how many oven X did B sell? Means that this one, this box, okay? How many oven X did B sell? Now, to solve this question, the first thing you need to know is one thing. What is the price difference between these two things? Now, one is 388, one is 588. Oven X 38, oven I is 588. So the price difference here is actually 200. Means that I need to use 588. This is A. 588 minus 388, and that's equal to $200. Now, means that here, you see, because both of them, shop A and shop B, sell the same number of oven, means that, look at here, here is 14, right? If I minus one X oven X, and I plus 1 here, means that I only have 13 here now, and I have one more Y, my price actually, let me just quickly use this. My price actually will increases by 200. Is it correct? Because this is what we found, right? The price difference. If I minus 1X and I add 1Y, oven Y here, I will earn extra 200 because Y is more expensive, right? Okay, and let's try one more time. If I minus one more, and now it become actually 12 oven X only. Now, can you tell me what is the price now? And I add one more here. And you notice that the price actually increases by another 200. So now will be 400. Correct? Because I having more Y now than X. Okay? And the difference is 200. And now, because we know that A and B actually are having the same number of oven, means that now our target is to minus until we reach the target that what shop B have. Okay? Now, this is 200, this is 400. How many times do we need to minus in order to reach 1,200? So to know that, very simple, we just use 1,200 divide by 200. There's a price difference. And we know that, oh, it's 6. Means that I need to minus 6 times. As you can see, this is minus 1 time, minus 2 times. I need to minus 6 times. So if I minus 6 times, it will become 8. And means that if I go minus until 8, then my price difference will be exactly 1,000. 200. And look at here. Let me just quickly highlight this for you. When it's 8, the price difference will be 1,200. When it's something, the price will be 1,200. And I don't know here. Here is what? Here is what? 17. Means that actually what we found here is exactly the same thing as what we have here. So the answer here will be 8. And that is our answer for A. Okay, take time to digest. Is actually not a very difficult thing to answer. Okay, you read one more times and watch one more time, you'll be understand. Okay, now let's try to look at B. Now the question B was asking how much money did shop A collect? This is actually a much easier question. So how much money? First, to know how much money, we need to find out what is this box. And we know that, right? The shop B and shop A, the oven, they sold actually the same number. So I know that the total in B is 8 plus 17, which is actually a 25. Means that X plus Y in shop A also will be 25. So I use 25 minus 14. And I got 11. So I know that this is 11. And of course, very easy. I just need to times, then I plus to find out the answer. So shop A actually collected how many? 388. I have 14, so I times 14. Then plus 588. Now I times 11 because I have 11 Y in shop A. So you should get 5432. Another one is 6468. And that is equal to 11900. And that is basically the answer for B. And we are done for this question. Okay, so I hope this question actually helps you to learn more. And this is actually a very, not very common, but it's kind of a common questions, a common hard question. Okay, so I hope you learned something, and thank you, and see you. Bye bye.